Today is tomorrow, and I have a new video for you. Today, I'm going to install my processor, the Skylake 6700K, which I unfortunately don't have a box for, as well as some Anarchy memory from Best Buy. The 6700K I got from Fry's. They said it was brand new, but the box was damaged when I got it. There is a little bit of residue on the processor, so it looks like it has been installed at least once before. So hopefully it is not dead. And then the memory I've had for quite a while as well. I got the last couple of DIMMs around Black Friday time, so quite a good deal on that. As you can see, I've taped it up with electrical tape to prevent losing it. So let's unbox this here. To prevent damaging the RAM, I double tape the inside so that it's not sticky on either the inside or the outside, so I didn't leave any residue on the memory. Good, I got the right ones. These ones are 2133 DDR4. These ones and these ones are 2400 megahertz. So they're a little bit faster. I used to have a box like this for these, but it kind of got damaged, so I'm a little bit more careful with the memory. For these DIMMs, the blue accent does move around quite a bit, which is, you know, just a sign of the quality. What do you expect from Best Buy? Not a lot. And this mat is ESD safe. There we go. All four are installed. That is incredibly satisfying. I have had that for so freaking long. Oh my gosh. With the CPU, there is a little triangle in the corner here. On the motherboard, the protective cover has a little triangle right here. There's a little triangle right here on the CPU socket, as well as the corner is cut off a little bit. So you should not be putting it in the wrong direction. It also has two notches right here and right here, which line up on the CPU socket. So if you put it in the wrong way, you should get an indication that it is wrong. It just sits in place. Then close the tray and this pops right off. The memory DIMMs are 8 gigabytes a piece. It comes in a kit of 16 gigabytes or 2 by 8 gigabytes, and they are DDR4 at 2400 megahertz. With all 4 DIMMs, all 4 memory modules, that gives me a total of 32 gigabytes. So, because I did not want to risk damaging the memory, and I do not have a box for that CPU, I've put it all in as of right now. Next thing I'm probably going to do is put the motherboard into the case, which now has some RGB lighting in it. So next is to put this into there, and to do the CPU cooler, which is a all-in-one water cooling loop, which is customizable and expandable. If you like this unboxing and installation, go ahead and leave a like on this video. Also, if you're looking to get some memory or a CPU or a motherboard, I've left links in the description below for this CPU, as well as the Kabylake version, the 7700K, this motherboard, the Z170, and the Z270 version of this motherboard, and some memory all in the description there for you. So if you're looking to build a computer, go ahead and select those links. If you like this installation, go ahead and leave a like on this video and leave a comment down below. Let me know, would you have chosen this memory because it was on sale? Would you have chosen a different memory? Do you like these videos? Are you ready for the full build finally? Go ahead and leave it in the comments below and let me know. Again, thanks for watching Jake 3D, and I'll see you in the next one.